Have you ever seen a mushroom that glows and follows you around? Well, today, we're drawing Truffletoot, the cutest, glowing mushroom friend from Garden of Banban 0. And guess what? I've got some secret pro tips to make your drawing pop like never before. Alright, let's begin. Here's Truffle, and here's Toot. Ever wondered how they became one? Well, let's bring this mushroom-headed character to life. Step 1. Drawing the mushroom head. Think of it as a scoop of ice cream, but sideways. A big, D-shaped mushroom cap. Join it smoothly. Pro tip, keep your strokes light at first, you can always darken them later. Step 2. Drawing the hands. Truffletoot has two little hands, almost like gloves, kind of like a snowman's hands. Follow along as we sketch the first hand. Done? Now, let's draw the next hand. Did you know? In the game, Truffletoot only says, toot, but he's super affectionate and hugs Case 6 whenever he sees him. Step 3. Drawing the body and legs. Now, let's draw the small ice cream cone-like leg. One leg is in front, but the other will be behind, adding depth to our drawing. Tip: a slight tilt in the legs will make Truffletoot look more dynamic, as if he's moving. Step 4. Adding the face and details. Truffletoot has a tub-shaped mouth, just like all mushrooms. He also has big white spots on his head. Let's add those. Now, time for the eyes. I'm using a 360 degrees protractor for a perfect round shape, but you can freehand them too. Step 5. Drawing the smaller mushroom. On top of the big mushroom head, a smaller one grows out. Just like the big one, it has white spots, so let's add those too. Now, let's outline our sketch. I'm using my black gel pen, but you can use a black sketch pen or Sharpie if you have one. Step 6. Coloring Truffletoot. Time for the best part, coloring. I am coloring Truffletoot's mouth black. You can use a black marker to finish the job quickly. I realized that the pen was taking too much time, so I switched to a marker. I am also coloring the eyes black for a bold and defined look. Truffletoot was actually leaked before his official reveal. His name was spotted in a trademark filing along with Flumbo and Remamba. I'm using dark purple for the gloves and shoes too. The mushroom head. Purple. For the inner part of the head, we'll go lighter with a bright fuchsia pink. The small mushroom on top. Same colors. Truffletoot is one of the few characters in Garden of Banban 0 that doesn't have a mural in the game, but it still appears as a keychain in the mobile version, showing how popular and recognizable it is despite its limited role. Now, let's add shading. Since mushrooms reflect light, I'm using warm gray for shadows to make it more realistic. Pro tip: always blend your colors smoothly. Harsh lines can make the drawing look flat. Use a tissue or blending brush to smoothen it out. When I draw Truffletoot, it reminds me of drawing a similar mushroom character from Super Mario, Toad. If you want to check out that video, please visit my Super Mario playlist, where you can find all the characters from Super Mario. For finishing touches, I'm using a black sketch pen for bold outlines. This makes the characters stand out and look more polished. am using a purple colored pencil to shade the shadow cast. Does yours look the same? If yes, great job! If not, don't worry, every drawing is unique. Want to see me draw more Garden of Banban characters? Hit that like button and comment which one you want next.
75 years later.
And there you have it, Truffletoot is ready. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye for now.